gentlemen. My name is Nelisa Pitsi. I represent a company called THUD. Simply, it's a mixture of Swahili and French. Zuri means beautiful. Kadu is a gift in French. Basically, how it started, I started after giving birth to my daughter about 9 years ago. She had infant eczema. So after spending a whole lot of money, I had to come up with a way to help myself. So I started researching, and I started making my own natural cosmetics. And voila, my daughter was healed. So I didn't have to spend a lot of money anymore. So I then started making for my own household. And then it started, I had requests from friends and family. And then I started realizing that this is something that I could share with, other mothers out there or people who have skin problems in general. So that is how Zurikado was born. And that is actually influenced by my daughter's name. Her name is Pesike, which means a beautiful gift in isiZulu. So that is basically how Zurikado was born. And I would really much want to take it into a bigger platform. And if there's anybody out there who would like to help Zurikado grow to greater heights, please reach out. Thank you. The range that we have a range called Pregnancy, Birth and Beyond. It's a range that actually caters for mothers and children, because I wanted to come up with a solution where people don't have to buy products separately for parents and for infants. So this is a solution where a mother can actually buy one range which she can apply herself to help with the stretch marks. I have a product called the Happy Oil, which is sort of like a mood enhancer because it has orange oil, sweet orange essential oil, which actually helps with postpartum depression. And it calms you down because it's got lavender, and it's good for baby as well because you can use it at bath time. And so that range it provides a solution for it's a money saver. I wanted to bring cosmetics in an affordable way so that it can sort out the problems of skin, can sort out skin problems and actually help in other ways, make a woman feel good. I mean, women want to feel good at the end of the day. So that's that. I have a whole range, bath salts, and a whole lot more. I just want to be able to make this happen and take it to greater heights. And it's my baby, it's my project. I really put my all into it. You should see me in the kitchen. My husband would say, you're just going to start burning up the kitchen now, because once I start rolling, I just can't stop,